The next method is the update category. But what I'm going to do is copy this entire content from the previous add category method. And now if I scroll down to our update category and replace everything with this statement, we check in if array isn't empty, and obviously is array. And then we also check and is an empty ID. So that's our statement, a little bit shorter obviously than it was before. And rather than now db insert, it's going to be update. Again, we're using the method we've inherited from our application class. And then name, identity, meta title, and description. We want to update all of these fields. And after this, we need to state the ID. So at the end is the ID. And that's all for the update category method. And if we scroll down, and we're going to amend the duplicate category. Before the SQL statement, we're going to create array equals and then array. And inside of the array, we straight away put the name into it as the first index. Then from table, rather than having this name here, equals db escape, we're going to put a question mark. And this question mark will refer to this first index, which is name, inside of this array here. And then for the second one, we also do this question mark. Rather than having it this way, what I'm going to do is check if is an empty ID and just put it inside of the brackets. This null here is not necessary now. We're going to move this back. SQL concatenating the statement and then close the curly bracket. Before that, we also add to the array, obviously, this ID. So now we have two items, two values inside of this array. We have two question marks, which are our placeholders for these values. And then we simply return underscore db, and it's going to be fetch one, and we pass the array as the second parameter and then return false, obviously, the way it is now. So that's our duplicate category also completed.